Ooh, ooh, ooh. I scroll through perfect pictures, framed in golden light, where every meal is stunning and the future's always bright. They edit out the breakdown, they mute the stressful sound, making sure no messy truth can ever be found. I used to chase that fiction, the effortless display, but the mirrors show the shadows at the end of every day. No filter can correct the exhaustion in my eyes. No clever caption hides the weight beneath the clear blue skies. It's time to drop the